Maximize your JBL Charge 6 experience with these tips. Want the clearest sound? Press and hold play. Then connect your device using a USB-C cable. It's much better than Bluetooth for lossless audio quality. In the JBL Portable app, turn on AI Sound Boost to pump up the volume without distortions. Use Playtime Boost for up to 28 hours of battery life, plus 4 hours to standard time. Remember, this might slightly reduce bass. For bigger sound, press the Auracast button on 2 Charge 6 speakers to connect them together. Note that this feature isn't compatible with older Party Boost models. To suit your preferences, adjust the bass, mids, and treble in the app using the EQ. Charge your phone on the go by plugging it into the speaker's USB-C port, even while your music plays. Take it anywhere with an IP68 rating. It's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant. The detachable strap works as a handy handle or wrist loop. Subscribe for more useful tips.